Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria Evans and I'm a science-based intuitive eating specialist, helping you stop food fear, food guilt, and self-sabotage so you can eat effortlessly and feel amazing. So I'm really excited for this video because we're going to journal together. This is going to be a guided journaling session helping you heal your relationship with food and your body. Now, if this is something you enjoy, if this is something you like, then I invite you to please like as well as subscribe and comment below that you want me to make more of these guided journaling session videos. That way I can turn this into a series and I can give you more of what you want. I also wanted to remind you to please be compassionate and non-judgmental of anything that might be coming up during the journaling process. I also invite you to consider that what you think is a body problem is actually a life problem. And what you think is a food problem is actually the symptom of an underlying problem. All this to say is that what you are often perceiving as self-sabotage is really self-protection of an unmet need. So using these journal prompts as a way to better get to know yourself, better connect to yourself, as a way to show up with more compassion and meet some of those unmet needs that you might be currently having. So without further ado, I invite you to go grab, a cup of tea, put on your cozy clothes, sweatpants, hoodie, grab a pen, journal, all those things, and then come back here and meet me here and we will get into it. All right, here I am, super cozy and ready to go for our journaling session. So how it's going to work is I have about 6 prompts that I'm going to be reading off to you, and we're going to journal in them for about 2.5 minutes. So I'll let you know when the time is up and I'll read off the next prompt. If you find that you need a little bit more time, absolutely no worries, just hit the pause button and keep writing. All right, so the first prompt I have for you is I really wish others knew this about me. I really wish others knew this about me. The next prompt is, the feelings I've been experiencing a lot of lately are blank. The feelings I've been experiencing a lot of lately are blank. And asking, could this have anything to do with your relationship with food or your body? The next prompt, which relates back to the last, is some things I might say to a friend struggling with these feelings and emotions are blank. Some things I might say to a friend struggling with these feelings and emotions are blank. The next prompt is something I need to hear is. Something I need to hear is. Three positive affirmations I need to hear right now are blank. Three positive affirmations I need to hear right now are blank. You can also include why. The last prompt is, what is one small action I can take today to nourish myself? This could be related to movement, like going for a walk, or maybe what feels nourishing is taking a nap, or making a delicious meal, or taking a bath. All right, that concludes our guided journaling session. Thank you so much for watching, for engaging, for being a part of this. As I mentioned, I really encourage you to please like, subscribe, as well as comment to let me know you want more of these guided journaling sessions, and I will make more of them, or on any type of other video you want me to make. I'm here to support you. I'm here to give you the information, the tools, and the resources that you need. So be sure to comment below what type of video you want to see next. In addition to that, I would love for you to join the Revive Health community. So I've dropped a link below into the description. You can join that. It's a totally free community to give you even more support, and I will be there guiding you along the way as well. So with that said, thank you so much for being here, and until next week, I hope you have a fabulous day.